Well, hello and welcome to the first Nature Notebook of 2024, and today I'm at Rutland Water, Egleton Reserve. Apologies for the croaky voice, but I am a bit coldified at the moment. But never mind, let's head out and check out just a few of the 30 odd hides here. Just heading to the hides now, and there's a lot of blackbirds around, mainly males. Just passing this new structure here. This is actually a bug hotel, and here you can see really how much rain we've had lately. There's a lot of water lying on the surface, and this is the walk where you can walk through the wood in spring and summer, but obviously it's very waterlogged now, and it's generally closed in the winter anyway. Well, I visited about 5 or 6 of the hides here this morning, so here's some footage of the species that I saw here today. There's a good cross section of wildfowl here today, beginning with these male shoveler, and this swimming around with their heads submerged is part of their courtship display, and you'll often see several males in a group all doing this together, a kind of synchronized swimming. We've also got teal on view here. This is a male, and these are widgeon, both male and female. There's also excellent views of gadwall, once again male and female, and at a distance the gadwall will look like just a greyish sort of duck, but on closer view, as you can see there, the plumage is very intricate, with intricate very thin bars of black and white which merge into grey. And the wildfowl count continues with a pair of shelduck. At first I thought it was a pair, but I think on the look of it, it could be 2 males. And there were 2 other species of wildfowl on view today. The tufted duck with really distinctive yellow eye, and a male goldeneye. Well, it wasn't just duck species I saw here today. See what else was on view. Cormorant, of course, you'd expect to see those. Lots of coot, quite a big group of coot, and I've got this excellent view of this little grebe, and grey heron, robin, and not forgetting the song thrush. But for me, the highlight of the day was this really close-up footage I was able to get of both a female and a male stonechat. So I'll leave you with that, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.